Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to customize this Fiat 500 and I'm going to show you some of my weathering techniques. First of all, like all startings, I will drill this post out and then I will be able to take this base off and then take the paint off this body. This part needs to be painted, but the first thing I'm going to do is to take off those banded axle wheels and replace them with another ones. So here are the wheels that I'm going to use. Right before painting this body, I've decided to go with the front Hotwheels series, and at the back we have those Matchbox drag racing fat tires. The technique I'm showing you right now is the one that I've found out that makes the wheels to look like it's a little bit worn out rubber, although they are made of plastic. So this technique of sanding them creates the effect of matte gray color on the tire, and therefore it can look like it had some racing time. Another thing is the painting of this body in white in order to show you the weathering technique that I will show you in a few minutes. Right before painting this car with my weathering effect colors, I'm painting this grille in some silver color and it is very simple and I have nothing to say about it. Okay, so now for the more interesting stuff of this video is the rust effects I'm going to show you. One thing before I will explain you about this trick. As you see, I've drilled a hole on each of the side exhaust pipes in order to make them look a little bit more realistic. Now I'm just adding those tiny rust spots in order to give this car the more old-time racer looks. If you wonder about the brand name of this powder that I'm using, they're called Hembrol, and you can get them online. You need to get at least two shades of this brown color. The one is a little bit more darker, and it gives the effect of real rust on your car. You need to get the more light color for newer rust, like if the car got rust and you want to show the older rust, which is the more dark one, and the newer rust that appears on your car will be in the more lighter color. So if you want to give the right effect, you have to start with the lighter color and going and spreading it a little bit bigger than the darker part, which will be at the middle of each spot. So as you see, I always start with the lighter brown color, and after applying this one, I will start to apply the darker brown color at the middle of each spot. Another final touch for this car will be adding those headlights which weren't there originally, and I'm not too sure why, but I'm adding them because I think it will give the car the looks I want. Okay, I think the car is almost done. I've sprayed the entire body with some matte clear coat, and then the final step will be adding those racing decals for this car. Okay, so here's the car after I finished it with some decals that I've added, and I've loaded it on this truck which I've made a few years earlier. Of course, this truck has suspension, and it is 3-axle suspension truck. So let me know at the comment section down below what do you think about this custom Fiat 500, and I will be more than glad to read all your nice comments. So in the meantime, I will leave you with this car. Take care, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye. Oh, there's another tiny thing I forgot to do is the headlights white area was too small, so I decided to paint them again. This time the black surrounding of the headlights is a little bit thinner, so that is that. Take care and bye bye.